Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find harmful software on your computer and remove it using Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Is your PC running slower than usual? Malware might be responsible for it. It can make your applications run slow and can also harm your file. Google Chrome has a built-in scanner to scan your computer for harmful software called cleanup. You can use this software from within Chrome and see if you have any malware on your computer. Now I'm going to show you how to find and remove harmful software on your computer using Google Chrome. On your Google Chrome browser, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings. Now click on reset and cleanup. Under reset and cleanup, you will find two options here. Restore settings to their original default and clean up computer. First of all, click on restore settings to their original default. This action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies, and other temporary site data. Now click on reset settings. Reset is continuing. It will take little bit long time. Settings reset is completed. Clean up computer. Click on it. And now find harmful software. Now click on find, and optionally you can report details to Google about harmful software as you wish. Okay, now click on find, checking for harmful software. Scan has been complete. No harmful software found. If Google Chrome found any harmful software, it will be automatically deleted. Okay, my checking has been completed. Now close settings tab. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.